in this quiet cul-de-sac in Frenchville, you will find Unit 2 of 6 Burn Street. Set in a small complex and surrounded by nature, this is a fantastic lock-up and go unit to live in or a great investment opportunity. My name is Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents. Come and have a look. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit is fully air-conditioned, features a light, bright kitchen and a modern bathroom. What I love about this unit is this veranda overlooking the communal lawn and views up onto Mount Archer. I can see myself sitting here and enjoying the sounds of nature. You can see potential in this unit, walking distance to the Frenchville State School, as a great lock-up and go place to live or a fantastic investment. Get in touch with me, Wes Smuts at McGrath Estate Agents.